Today is Monday, April 27th. Your reading target, as you can see right here in your lesson, is I can use cause and effect clue words to explain a text. And you know that a text is a story. We're going to be rereading Don't Touch Me, and we're going to talk about what cause and effect clue words are. So let's go to our target and our anchor chart. Text organization deals with cause and effect. The cause of something is why something happens or the reason. The effect is what happens as a result of the cause. So as you can see here in the picture, it rained a lot. So the flowers in the garden grew. Those are cause and effect. That is what cause and effect is. Cause and effect clue words are because, so, since, as a result. Those are words that you'll be using when you talk about cause and effect. You can say, because it rained, the flowers grew. Okay? So we use sentences like that when we talk about text organization when we're dealing with cause and effect. All right, so we're going to think about what we hear during the story, things that happen or plants do because of something else. Okay, so let's go to Don't Touch Me. We'll reread that again. And then you're going to be answering a couple questions as your discussion question. Okay? All right, plants can't run away from hungry animals, so some of them fight back. They have defenses to keep creatures from eating them. These plants can scratch you or stab you. Some of them can make you sick. Others make you itch like crazy. Don't get too close or you'll be sorry. So an example of cause and effect on this page might be if you touched a poisonous plant or an itchy plant, you start to itch your skin. So your skin is itchy because you touched the plant. Do you have a rose bush in your yard? Then you know these pretty flowers are better for sniffing than touching. Roses have sharp prickles on their stems. Some other plants, like the hawthorn, have woody thorns. And beautiful holly leaves have very sharp points. Holly leaves and berries have extra protection. They are poisonous. Cactus plants keep animals away with spines. Some cacti have arms, but hugging them is a bad idea. A stinging nettle doesn't look as dangerous as a spiny cactus, but it's covered with sharp hairs called trichomes. The hairs are like tiny needles. If you touch them, they poke your skin with chemicals that sting and itch. You might get a nasty rash. So if you get a rash from touching one of those, that's a cause and effect. You have a rash because you touched the prickly thorns. Poison ivy leaves have oils that can make you itchy. If your soccer ball rolls into a patch of poison ivy during a game, you might be scratching later. Poison oak and poison sumac are related plants that can make the same oils. You can watch out for poison ivy by remembering the rhyme, leaves of 3, let it be. Shy plants. The sensitive or touch-me-not plant doesn't stab you, poison you, or make you itch. If you touch it, the plant quickly folds up its leaves. Plants with ants. Acacia trees have big, scary thorns, but for extra protection, they use ants. The ants have a special friendship with the tree. They live inside hollow thorns and eat food the tree makes for them. If a bug or a bigger animal comes too close, the ants attack and sting it. Okay, so your turn and talk questions are the ones you're going to be answering for your discussion question.
That. Could you try?
I think you're going to be answering a cause and effect question. Okay, so let's go to your discussion question. Scroll down. So you're going to be answering, in Don't Touch Me, what are some of the poisonous plants the author talks about? What might happen if you touch one of those plants? Record, type, or upload a picture of your answer below. So if you want to go back and listen to this video again or reread the story in your My Book, you can talk about what happens if you touch one of those poisonous plants that we just read about. All right, so I'm looking forward to your answers, and I will respond as soon as I get them. See you next time.